So welcome back to the channel. I'm Jaterra. Thank you so much for tuning into today's hair revamp video where I will be testing out Olaplex for the very first time. I also did these cute little like overnight balls for a blowout. So if you're interested to see how I went from horrible to okay with my hair and its health, then keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let me preface this entire transformation by saying my hair is going through such a hard time right now. If you've been keeping up with my channel, you know that recently I had in some curly clip-ins, and basically before I installed that style, I knew that my hair was in desperate need of some form of protein treatment or bond repair, but I went ahead and just did the style anyways. Then I proceeded to move into a new space, hence the background change. And now I'm basically dealing with the aftermath of all of that because my hair is shedding, breaking off, it's brittle, it's dry, it's uneven. The split ends are just going all the way up the shaft. My hair is going through some things, which is why today I'm going to be testing out Olaplex, okay? Today I have, oh my Jesus. Today I have numbers 0, 4, 5, and 7. I just took out my braids from the clip-ins. You are supposed to apply this product to dry hair. So let's get started. Also, I'm balding. Because where's the hair? Why is there a gap? Turn this TV on, turn this TV on. It was locked. Okay. Not I just sprayed the, oh no. Okay, I don't like the spray, the sprayer. They also said to dampen, not drench. So I'm just gonna try to like evenly distribute this throughout the hair. It smells like a chemical, but it doesn't smell horrible. All right, you guys, so number 0 is all over the little bit of hair that I got left. And now I'm going to ask, hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes, please.
10 minutes starting now.
I'm gonna go ahead and set this timer, and when that timer goes off, I'm gonna hop in the shower and shampoo and condition with number 4 and 5. All right, 10 minutes is up. Let's go ahead and wash this stuff out off rip. I really appreciate how number 0 doesn't make your hair hard or crunchy. Similar to the Afro G protein treatment. I know they're completely different. This is bond repair, this protein. I know, I'm just saying I appreciate that it doesn't mess with the softness of your hair. It gets cool points from me for that. But all right, let's go ahead and jump in the shower and let's wash this product out.
I feel on your skin, you holding me dear. I cradle you out, you give me now. Only my dear, only my dear. I hope you get my flowers close to you, think of me. And deep inside I feel she's hearing me, hearing me. Come, rest with me, my guest. Come, love you off my best. Come with me. Do you hear me? Do you see me clearly? You complete me. Come my sweet girl, you be my sweet one. Me and P.O Box, you know you having my features. Follow me deeper, she be my diva. Come my sweet girl.
Alright you guys, so now it is time to blow dry. So I'm going to use this one by OGX, and then I'm going to follow it up with the number 7 by Olaplex. So it says that you can put this on damp or dry hair, so I should be fine. And if you are washing your hair with me at home, this is a step to like literally wash all of your hot tools and all of your brushes and things like that. Yeah, my blow dryer literally hasn't been this clean since I purchased it, okay? If you are curious, I like to, you know, soak all of my brushes. Like, oh my god, they look so nice and clean. in this bottle is not clean though, babe. In this Soak It Off stuff by Taraji P. Henson's line. Just going to go ahead and section my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and drench my hair with this product. I usually use the Kimber line, but I ran out of that, so this is gonna have to do. Now it's time to give her a try. I wanna smell it. I think so far this is the best smelling thing that I've used. So I'm going to just dab a lot in my hands and I'm going to massage it so I can evenly distribute it. I don't like my hair when it's still pressed out to be like super oily, so that's why I'm deciding to do it on damp hair and apply it in this way. And now I'm just going to detangle and blow dry.
Don't come out jealous, don't come out sweet girl. You be a sweet one, me and P.O quick first. You know you having my features. You follow me deeper, she be my diva. Don't come out sweet girl, don't come out sweet.
Come my sweet, brush your eyes with a voice like honey. Why you disguise how you're feeling for me? What about the judges by your smile that you're falling so deep?
Okay, actually I was able to keep more length than I thought I did, which is great. It's just super thin, especially on my temples, which is making me think that a lot of this was stress induced. Plus, we gotta look at all of the styles that I did recently. I did 3 different versions of clip-ins, starting from this side, then I went to this side, then I did 3 variations of a middle part. So me and the clip-ins gotta be put on pause, okay? Low tension, low manipulation, protective styles going forward, okay? And now I'm about to go in and straighten her. So for most of my head, I'm going to use this golden hot flat iron. I have it on 400 degrees. I'm only doing 1 pass, okay? I'm probably going to clamp on my roots, and then I'm just going to drag it down slowly. And because my temples are so short, I'm going to go in with this red by Kiss flat iron, the mini one, and just touch up my roots.
That summer, poolside vibes, then turn up. I'm with the goons and the girls in the black down. I'm up with the windows.
Okay, so just finished the entire head. Just to let y'all know, this oil says it gets rid of flyaways, baby. No, it does not. Or maybe mine are too broken off. I don't know. But so far it's lying. This length is actually making me want to keep my hair because I'm so close to being bra strap length, but it's too thin, girl, so we're gonna cut it. All right, y'all, so let me preface this by saying my cut is going to appear to be uneven because I'm getting rid of the damage. So you see like this short piece versus this long piece. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of the long pieces as well because they're on the same line. And that's where I'm gonna cut. My hair is going to need to be cut in order to give me the best blowout look as possible because you need layers. Now I'm gonna go at the top of my ear. I'm gonna try to have a steady hand so it can be even. I've made one side of my hair longer than the other before, so yeah. And now I'm just gonna really focus on the ends. So I'm just going to pull her down. And I'm gonna start with this much, okay? Smooth. Now, please keep in mind when you cut your hair like this, when you like are pulling everything to the front, you do it side by side. The middle of the back of your head is always going to be the longest, and I don't mind that because basically, if I do my layers right, I will kind of be giving myself a V cut. Now I'm gonna go at like the highest point of my eyebrow. Also, my hair feels so soft. Oh my god. I think I really like Olaplex. And I'm just going to cut the rest of the hair so it can align with the guide. Now I'm going to pull it to the side and start to trim upwards so I can give myself some layers. And then I'm going to pull it down and cut from the top. This is not a professional cut, okay? Now for this top section, y'all know this is the worst part of my head. I feel like I should just go like that, right? I feel like you can see what I meant by having a V cut. You know, like the longest point is the middle of my back. But I feel like I still kept my length. I'm not doing any more heat, so I'm gonna go in with the heatless option and I'm gonna do these rollers. Now I'm gonna do this top portion of my head first. In terms of sides, both of my sides are the same, so I don't know. So you're gonna pull it forward, hold on to the ends of your hair, and then you're gonna wrap around the hair, but you wanna wrap the hair around the rod flatly so you can actually have a really nice defined curl in the end. Smooth the hair, make sure you're still holding on to it along with the rod. So, and then you just roll towards you. If any of your ends pop out, just grab them back up. And keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Once you get to your forehead, you're gonna bend the rod to the back. And then you're gonna attach it. I like to spread the hair out a little bit just to make sure I don't have a lot of tension. And that's all. Put the rod underneath, pull the hair out, smooth it against the rod, wrap it around, make sure the hair is flat, tuck it, continue to roll, 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 roll. And then you're going to clip her towards your first rod. Oh, my arms hurt. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing to the bottom one. Put the rod underneath, pull the hair out. Once you get to the ends, wrap it around, flatten out the hair. Oh, this is extremely hard to do when your hair is freshly cut. Jeez Louise. I like to clip this one to the top as well. And then again, spread the hair out. Don't mind all the hairs that's sticking out. They just too short and can't get put under. But yeah, I am going to put on a bonnet. It's currently 3 p.m. girl, so I'm not putting on a bonnet at the moment, but I am gonna come back the next day after these have like settled and cooled to see how my hair looks. Okay, you guys, so it's the next day. I tried really hard to sleep very peacefully and gently last night, but girl, we just gonna see how they come out. The ones in the back are a little bit looser than the top one. The top one is the most secure, which I'm so excited about. But let's go ahead and take these out and see what we working with, y'all. Okay. Also, when I was doing these, I realized that you kind of have to put them in as soon as you finish like flat ironing your hair. And putting a little bump at the end definitely helps, okay? Like, I think these are gonna come out better the more you style them prior to putting them in your hair. I'm scared. A lot of volume, baby. Lots and lots of volume. this is cute. First off, my hair feels extremely soft. I don't feel as many split ends like I had. It just overall looks so much more healthier. I wasn't able to run my hands through my hair when it was straight prior to doing the Olaplex, so the health is there. Now in terms of this blowout style, baby, the middle part is not gonna work. So we're gonna have to do a side part, which I'm not too mad at. Okay, I'm gonna pick this side just because it has less flyaways right here. This will look even better if I had just more density in my hair, more thickness, more fullness. So that's what I'm gonna be working towards next. I need to take vitamin D, I need to take iron, I need to take calcium, I need to take everything, girl. So I'm about to get all my supplements. And of course, eating healthy, drinking water, all that good jazz is going to add to it as well. And I think my hair will get thicker over the next couple of months. I'll be sure to document the process and then just continuously using the Olaplex line. I will be for sure to get number 3 as well. If you guys have any tips and tricks, anything I should do next or purchase, let me know in the comment section below, Lookie, because we're trying to get this here together. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what tutorial you want to see from me next. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, mamas.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.